to my channel. I am here again with Wicked Bourbon Kid.
What's up, guys?
And we are going to share with you something we're really excited about. We just got in the mail. We've partnered up with OakBottle, something that's like kind of revolutionary for the bourbon and whiskey community. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on the little notifications bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. So we have partnered up with OakBottle and they sent us in the mail, we just got it, this really like amazing new product, and literally it's an oak bottle.
Yeah, so it is an oak bottle that mimics an oak barrel. It's made out of American oak. This is the 355 milliliter size.
They come in three different sizes.
Three different.
Right?
They have a really big one. I think it's 750, and they have a mini. I don't know what size the mini is. You can go on their website. They have an outstanding website, first of all, and you can actually customize these too. But we can get into that later.
So this is like the world's fastest aging process. You're basically aging whatever spirit you put in here, like so much faster than it would normally age in like a barrel,
like a
or
bourbon barrel, or any type of wine barrel or tequila barrel, anything. And this is not just for whiskey. This is for all the spirits. There's actually
tequila,
a thing on the side.
On the side of the box, it actually tells you can do tequila, white wine, whiskey, rum. They give you like this little guide on the side of the container or the canister that it comes in. It shows you what the spirit kind of should look like when it goes into the bottle. And then once it's being aged, because this is a charred oak container, it is charred on the inside, it's going to age it and darken it really fast. So you'll see the longer that it's in there, the darker that the spirit becomes.
I can't wait to put bourbon or whiskey into this and let it age for a day or even two. Yeah,
so that's actually what we're going to do with you guys today. We're going to try this baby out. We're going to do the first few steps with you right now, and then we're going to cut and wait 24 hours, and then we'll come back on and start adding our spirit to it and start aging our spirit. Well, here is the oak bottle and how it comes when you get it in the mail. And again, we have, I think, the medium-sized one. All the directions are kind of on the side of the little canister here. It kind of tells you exactly what to do. So one of the first steps with this aging process is you want to swell the bottle.
Right. So essentially, I mean, this is wood. It is dry, for the most part, dry wood. The inside's charred, so you need to swell this bottle so it doesn't leak.
Okay.
Because if you were to pour spirits into it right now, there's a chance it would probably leak right out the bottom. Okay. So right off the bat is a timing chart for light oak, medium oak, and heavy oak taste.
Okay.
They have just a small coaster that you just put on the bottom of the barrel. So they have barrel wax. So if you can't get this thing to stop leaking, they recommend to rub this on the barrel in the joints to help it drip.
Is that where it's gonna, like, right along the joints is where they say
down the bottom?
Oh, down the bottom where it could leak because it's natural wood.
They are very good with instructions here. There's instructions on the bag. There's instructions on the canister. There's instructions on the barrel wax, on the backside of the barrel wax. They have instructions online. They really do a good job with teaching you how to do this correctly.
Yeah, this is actually going to be fun. I'm like really excited to try this out. On the canister itself, it says step 1 should be to fill with water and wait until drips stop. And that's for like 4 to 24 hours. We're actually going to do a submerging method. All right, so we are going to use a little plastic shoebox got from the dollar store. And we are going to submerge our oak bottle in this. I think that it fits perfectly. You want to make sure you take the cork.
So one thing that they say is make sure that you twist the top off. You don't pull it because you could damage the cork.
The cork. Okay.
We're going to set this down in.
We're just using like warm tap water.
Yeah.
Does it matter what kind of water you use? No, just to swallow
it?
Just
to use lukewarm.
Okay.
So it recommends in online to use a dish towel And you just obviously just put it on top, and the weight of the dish towel will soak up some of the water, and it will let it sit down there.
All right, it's 24 hours later, and we are gonna check our oak bottle and see how it looks. It's been submerged in the sink here. So how does it look?
It looks like a swollen log. You can see the discoloration of the
water.
The water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have to, I think, fill it with more water and see if it leaks. So how does it look?
It looks pretty dry. I mean, I don't see anything.
Yeah, I don't see any leaks either.
No.
All right, so now we can put whatever we're gonna put in it. So I think we decided that we were going to do the Heaven Hill Quality House, the Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. Now this is one of the whiskeys that we did in our other video. It was the challenge whether Sean could tell the difference between an inexpensive and a little bit more desirable bourbon. So this is one of the inexpensive ones. We're gonna see if we can up the quality of it by putting it in the oak bottle.
Okay. So if we look at this, I think I would want to go to medium to heavy oak. So that would put us at a day to 3 days, really. So let's just go 24 hours and see what it does.
Yeah. Do we have to put it anywhere like special, or can we just sit it on the counter?
Sit it on the counter. We'll put the cork on it, and we'll see it in another 24 hours.
Okay. All right, we are back 24 hours later. So our Heaven Hill Quality House Kentucky Bourbon has been sitting in the oak bottle for 24 hours. We are going to pour some out. We're going to actually pour a little bit out to see the color difference today, and then we're going to wait another 24 hours and do another sample tomorrow. So we're going to try it out today and see how it is.
Ready?
Yep, ready.
Let's see what this is all about.
Go ahead, I'll let you go for it. How does it smell, first of all? Does it smell good?
It smells good.
All right, so that's what it looks like coming out of the oak bottle. Sean's gonna pour some coming straight from the bottle just so we can compare. Oh yeah, you can tell the difference. Ooh, you can definitely tell the difference. That one's definitely got a darker tone to it.
Sure.
So why don't you
taste it?
Yeah, go ahead first.
Well, I want to compare, so I'm going to do this one first.
Okay.
That is really just a good, simple $10 bourbon, honestly.
Yeah.
We can smell oak like crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's all you get is oak. It's like very heavy oak. That's so different.
Is it?
Yep. It's a little more mellow, too.
Really interesting. I mean, you can definitely tell by looking at it,
So it goes like
the
that.
aged process, how it's darkened up
Yeah.
a lot. All right, so I just tried it out. I didn't try it on camera because I just wanted to sample it, but huge difference in taste.
Crazy. It's so impressive that you can age it in 24 hours. Like, that is just nuts.
Like,
I mean,
I
look at the difference.
tasted them immediately. I could taste a very woodsy taste to this, like a lot of like nutty, woody oak taste to that one.
Yeah, it's good. It's really
Yeah.
good. I'd be
And it's
really
very
curious
smooth
see,
too. Very smooth.
Curious to see what 48 hours tastes like.
Yeah. I'm also curious to see how this does with a cocktail. Do an old fashioned, age an old fashioned in
That's
it.
clearly how I'm going to be using it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, they have a really good product.
All right, so we are going to wait another 24 hours. We still have a lot of bourbon left in here because we just used a little bit of it. We're going to wait another 24 hours, and we will check back with you tomorrow, and we're going to do a 3-way side-by-side comparison. So it will be straight out of the bottle, 24 hours, and then 48 hours. All right, see you tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
All right, we are back 48 hours later. We're going to sample the whiskey or the bourbon that is in the oak bottle after 48 hours. Let's see how it looks.
Oh,
wow.
my gosh. Wow, look at that.
Look at how dark that is. So this is straight out of the bottle. Straight out of the bottle.
You know.
Yeah, straight out of the bottle. 24 hours and 48 hours. Wow.
Luckily we saved some of the 24.
Yeah, just to compare the three.
Wow.
How does it smell? Like, can you tell the difference?
I mean, I can smell it right here, just from opening this up. It reminds me of going into the barrel rooms, you know?
Yeah.
Smells just like a barrel room.
Look at, is he down in there?
I don't know, probably not. I wonder how much is left in there. It feels like a lot. Let's try it. It's got a nice oak smell, mellow. It's so good. Honestly, I mean, I like it anyways, but it darkened it, gave it a lot more body.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to try?
Yeah, try it. Oak all day.
Yeah.
That's the first thing I taste is the oak.
Definitely. It's so good though. I mean, you took
I'm gonna try the first
you took a $10 bottle of Quality House and gave it the darkness of, you know, some of the mid to top shelf, you know, at least color
that have been aging for a long time.
Yeah. Yeah. You age that thing. I mean, that's such an amazing color. Even 24 hours is good. I mean, it's definitely darker, right? But I think your magic window, at least for what my opinion, I think your magic window is the
48 hours or more. Yeah. So, yeah, cool experiment. Definitely works. So we highly recommend this oak bottle. Check out their website. Again, it's oakbottle.com. You can get them right online. I will link their link in the description of this video so you can go and check them out.
Follow them on Instagram.
Yeah, follow them on Instagram.
So the owner's name is Joel. Tell him Wicked Bourbon Kid and Eric in the 80K said hi. And yeah, support them. They're really good people. And
you can use this multiple times. I think he said you can use it up to 60 times.
Yeah, 60
so it's
times.
not like it's a one and done thing.
This is the medium one, remember. They have a large one. You could probably fit, I think you can fit an entire bottle in it.
Yeah.
This one would be about a half a bottle. Personally, I'm going to use it for making oak-aged cocktails.
Yeah.
I think that's what I'm going to use it for.
We'll probably do a couple videos, like a couple recipes on IGTV, on the Wicked Bourbon page, IGTV.
So if I know I have people coming over, I'll pour something in here for, you know, on, say, a Thursday, and then I'll serve it on Saturday. Yeah, it should be fun.
Yeah. Awesome. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Turn on that little notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video, and stick around for a lot more videos to come. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care.